Alright guys, here I am with my dog, Cooper. He is a really good boy. Today we're going to be doing a taste testing to see which ones he likes more. So let me go check what we have. So we got freeze-dried turkey hearts and some sort of health bar for dogs. All right, let's see which one you want more. Okay, you smell it? Okay. Oh, sorry, hold on. I have more turkey hearts. Alright. Which one do you want? Look. Which one do you want? Which one? That's the camera. You want that one? Okay. Now which one do you want? You want that one? See, was it this one? That was that one. Okay, we'll keep that for the next round. Stay. Do not eat that. Okay. You want these two? Okay. Okay, we got this one, the Moo Moo Pie thing. No idea. Okay, which one do you want right now? Which one? Which one would you like? You want this one? That's the Moo Moo Pie thing. Which one? Which one would you like? It's all you. You want this one? Take it. This one. Oh, the Moo Moo Pie. I'll go grab some more food. It's gonna be our last one because we don't want you to get sick, huh, Cooper? Cooper. Okay, we got a chicken nugget as our next one. Okay. No, shoot. Cooper, treats. Oh, shoot. How'd you grab that? It's all the way up here. You're crazy, dog. All right, anyway, guys, sorry. We got the chicken nugget in here, and then this one is the Moo Moo Pie. Which one do you want? Which one do you want? You want me to step away? Okay, which one? Cooper. Go get it. It's okay. You can go get it. Don't you want it? Oh, I can take it away. Which one? Which one do you want? This one? That's that one. This is that one. Which one? This one? You got the chicken nugget. Okay. Okay. Okay, which one do you want? Yeah, it's the camera. Which one? You want this one? What is it? There's nothing there. Fine. You want it? I know you're a good boy, huh? Kobe, watch out. Watch out. Good boy. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.